In this case study, UltraFlex Power demonstrated a fast and precise induction soldering solution for a defense R&D application. The task was to solder a hermetic 25-pin connector and single-pin feed-through into a chassis without heating nearby components, and to solder RF coaxial connectors onto a sensitive coax cable. Using a 5 kilowatts induction system, our engineers developed custom coil solutions to focus heat exactly where needed. An oval induction coil was used to uniformly heat the multi-pin connector assembly, achieving a complete solder joint in under a minute. For the coaxial cable, a hairpin coil delivered targeted heat, soldering each connector in only approximately 6 seconds. Both SN63 and SN96 solder alloys were successfully reflowed, meeting the strict time limit and temperature requirements. The results confirmed that induction heating can solder complex assemblies quickly and safely, with no damage to surrounding parts. By replacing traditional soldering with an UltraFlex induction solution, the customer can expect more consistent joints, faster production, and a highly controlled heating process tailored to their exact needs. For more details, use the reference number AR3464 9118. Thank you for watching! Be the first to see our new case studies. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube.